Sit down, bud. Just forget it. Jack. Oh! Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome to our channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more DIY, fashion, and sewing videos. This video is a little bit different. It's a pack with me video, and I've never done one of these before, and I just thought it would be really fun to do it and, you know, try something different. I'm always trying out new video ideas. So that's what today's video is going to be. Right now, I'm sitting in my closet and I haven't put anything in my suitcase, which is not like me at all because I usually pack like a month before I go on vacation. I wanted to wait so I could film this video and show you guys what I'm going to pack in my suitcase. So I'm going to show you guys the outfits I'm going to pack and all the toiletry items that I bring with me, other random things like swimsuits, beach items because we're going to the beach. I'm super excited because I love the beach. I'm so glad my husband loves the beach too because if he didn't, I don't know, it would suck. Let's go ahead and start packing. I'm super excited. Also, before we get started, a lot of people have asked about my suitcase. I don't know if any of you guys will ask about it or not, but a lot of people, they seem to like the polka dot suitcase. It is super cute and it's very worn out because I've used it a lot over the past like 10 years I've had it. But my point is that if you want to know where I got it, I don't know. I'm sorry. My mom bought it for me years ago when she was alive, and I don't know where she got it from. It's super cute. I know the brand on it says Domo, so I don't even know if it's still available because it's so old, but I just wanted to tell you guys because I don't know. A lot of people just ask me about it, like where I got it, and I really don't know because I know it's hard to find cute luggage. Like, why is it so freaking hard to find cute luggage? I don't know. And like TJ Maxx has really cute luggage, but it's never the right size that I need. So this one has a giant suitcase, and I think this is the biggest one. Then it has two other size suitcases. Then it has a little carry-on case, which I like as well. I just wanted to share that with you guys because I get asked, you know, multiple times, like by my friends and people like at the airport and stuff. Let's start packing. Okay, so if I'm being honest for a second, I'm really bad about making outfits when I go on vacation. It's always been that way, and I try so hard to resist, but I find such cute fabric for the place that I'm going, and so I end up making a whole new week's worth of clothing, and it's such a bad habit. But I mean, I'm sorry y'all, I just found the cutest prints for the beach, and I did have some things in my closet which I already picked out, as you saw, that I am going to take with me, but I also made a few items, so I'm going to show those to you guys real quick. This is a little cute flounce top that I made, and I think I'm going to pair it with this skirt that has water all over it. It's like a water print, so I think this is going to go together very nicely. I can't decide which one I like better. I really like the water skirt with this top, but I also like this skirt with it too. I mean, because it just really brings out the colors on the top. So maybe I'll just bring both with me. The next outfit is this adorable rainbow dress, and this is thrifted. And I added this little embellishment on here from a t-shirt, and I just thought it added even more color and just so much fun to this outfit. Third outfit I'm going to take is this really cute skirt that I just made a few days ago, and it's got all the sea creatures on it, or some of them, not all of them. I just thought it was too cute to pass up, you know, at the fabric store, and I had to make a skirt out of it. And this cute top that I made, and I added these little dolphins here. I just think it's so pretty, and I think it coordinates. What do you guys think? Next outfit I want to take is this really fun rainbow mermaid skirt. And then I made this top to go with it, and it's a mermaid scale top with this little mermaid girl that I added on here. Here is the next outfit I'm going to take with me, and you guys have probably seen this top from one of my videos, so I added that extra fabric there to make it bigger. This skirt I have had forever. I wear it every time I go to the beach, and this is probably just going to be an outfit to wear going down to the beach or coming back from our trip, because it's going to be super comfortable. This skirt is actually made from a pillowcase, and I just cannot part with it. It's so ugly, but I love it. I love all the different seashells, and it is so comfortable. But yeah, this whole outfit's going to be super comfy to wear. So since it is my husband and I's anniversary, I don't know if I'm going to need it, but I always like to take a really nice dress with me just in case we go to a nice restaurant. So I really like this gold dress, and I got this from H&M years ago, and it's got this cute little bow on the back, and it's super comfortable but so cute, and it's like the perfect length, and it's just very shiny and very easy to put on, really cute. So I'm gonna take this too. I guess I'm just gonna bring these cute little slides, my LOL surprise slides, and then these peace and love slides, which I know they look disgusting, but they're not as gross as they look, I promise, because they're still fairly new actually. But I think I'll just take those and maybe wear the peace and love ones on the beach, since they do look a little more worn. Now it's time to move on to swimsuits, and I'm gonna go ahead and warn you guys, I have a lot. Here are most of the swimsuits. Isn't that right, Jack? You know what swimming is. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Okay. I don't have all my cover-ups in here, but I have a couple, and I'm gonna take this one, which is this old lady type shirt that I found at Goodwill. And I just love it. It's so bright, and I'm gonna take it with me and wear it as a cover up because it's super long on me. Then I found this cute little cover up at Goodwill too. It's got this white trim on the bottom, and it's really soft, and then it's got the bow at the top. Oh, Jack likes it too, don't you, sweetie? Then it just velcros at the top, so we're gonna take that too. And here are the swimsuits. There's a lot in here. I don't know which ones I want to bring. I really like this one. I got from Walmart a few years ago, or maybe just a couple years ago. So I'll probably take this one. Alright, so I've got this cover up added, and it matches this hat that I'm bringing. It's huge, it's gonna be great for the sun, and it's extra, and I love it. Then I've got this black robe that I use as a swimsuit cover up. And here are the swimsuits that I'm bringing. Now that I have all my swimsuits picked out, I'm going to pack my little beach bag, and I use this little ugly thing. I think it's kind of ugly, but no one's going to bother it on the beach probably, so I always take this one, and it's insulated so I can put my snacks in it if I need to take any to the beach. And of course, y'all know that I need sunscreen, because I don't even know if this is going to be enough, but it's a whole brand new bottle, so we're gonna take it with us. some of my beach toys because I'm such a freaking child. I love to make sandcastles on the beach, so I'm definitely gonna take some of these with me, like this one. Jack, you like this one? Okay, we'll take it. We take it to the beach. And this one, I'm gonna take some goggles with me because there is a pool where we're going, so Jack, you're a mess. I'm gonna take these adorable pirate goggles. I got these at Five Below last year. More sunscreen, probably need it. I probably should take this one instead. Ooh, a sand strainer. This is going to. I've got all kinds of toys in here because I'm such a child at heart. I'm probably gonna take most of these toys with me. All right, now that I've gotten most of my outfits packed, in fact, I think I've gotten everything packed except for my undergarments. Got the swimsuits, the outfits, beach toys, towels, well, cover-ups. I don't have my towels packed yet. Now it's time to move on to the toiletries, and I'll just show you guys some of the things that I pack when I go on trips. So I take a makeup bag with me, and I have this giant makeup bag that I got from a thrift store. I have no idea whose initials these are, but I just really like the bag because the inside you can just wipe clean, and it's such a good size. I mainly got it because of the size of the bag, and it was brand new. So, I mean, I only paid a few dollars for it, and I really like it. I can throw it in the washer. It's great for makeup. I have this cute little headband too. I wasn't going to show you guys, but it's so adorable. I'm going to take it with me. I'll wear it right now. I always take makeup wipes with me, and I got these from Marshall's. So I get my makeup wipes from TJ Maxx and Marshall's. And I always take ponytails to the beach because my hair is long and I'm always needing ponytails. And I got this cute little mermaid clip that I'm going to take. It'll match like all of my outfits. I always take like, you know, a few accessories with me, like tattoo chokers and maybe a few necklaces, hair clips, things like that, just to add to my outfits. I'm not going to show you guys my makeup or anything because it's not anything special, but I just have all these like body washes that I take with me that I get from like Walgreens and Kroger and Dollar Tree. So I like to take these little, you know, shampoos and conditioners. I have a ton of these, and I get a lot of them from Dollar Tree. And then the mouthwashes. So I try to get all the small items if I can. I know it's kind of expensive, but it takes up a lot less space. So, and then I got this adorable little hairbrush from Dollar Tree, and I have used it on trips before, and it's not the most ideal thing to use, but it helps remind me to pack my actual brush because I always forget my hairbrush and my hair straightener when I go on vacation. I don't know what it is. I think it's because I'm using it so last minute before I go on a trip, and I always forget to pack it, and I have to let my flat iron cool off, so it's just sitting there and then I leave it behind. But it's okay. It's what wigs are for. And I always get these toothbrushes at the dentist's office. They're free there, so I always grab these. I take them on vacation, throw them away when we're done. So I keep several in here because my husband, he never remembers to pack a toothbrush. So I always pack extra stuff for him, and including toothbrushes. And I always take a face mask with me too in case I just want to relax and chill out wherever we're staying, and it's just such a good thing to have in your luggage. It doesn't take up hardly any room. And I got this one from Walmart, and this is a really good one. As you guys can tell, it's mostly just little travel items, not anything super special. Q-tips. And then I got a few of these. Sometimes I'll put like face wash or body wash or whatever. It's probably cheaper than buying the little bottles. But yeah. Then I have this cute little mirror that I take with me. Got this from Dollar Tree. This face wash. And this little tiny deodorant. So adorable. Oh, and I always always take extra contacts, always, because you never know if anything's gonna happen, and I hate wearing my glasses. I'm blind as a bat, y'all. The contact solution though, the little tiny bottle, I don't know if I have one of those, but I probably need to go and get one of those. So yeah, I just, you know, and I grab stuff from the hotel rooms like this, you know, the Q-tips and the cotton balls. And I think this we got in Vegas last year. And it, you know, it's a Bath and Body Works one. I don't usually grab the little samples from the bathrooms because they're not that great. But this one I think will be good. And I also take these trash bags with me that I get from the dollar store. And I use them as like laundry bags, like dirty clothes bags, I mean. And we have a washer and dryer where we're going. But if I want to like put a wet swimsuit in it, it's really great for that. So I always take these on every single trip, and it's really come in handy. Or you can use Kroger bags. Either one works great, but I just keep these in my suitcase, and that way I'll always remember to take it with me. So I think that's pretty much all I have to share with you guys today. I didn't show everything that I'm gonna pack because that'd be super boring if I just showed you guys like my undergarments and socks and boring things like that, you know. That's pretty much all I have left to pack. And then I've got to run a few errands and get like some makeup sponges. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you do give it a thumbs down, please tell me why and leave constructive criticism. Jack and I appreciate you guys watching so much. We really appreciate all of our new subscribers and all you guys that comment. It really means a lot to us, to me, I guess. Jack doesn't really know what's going on, but you do. Yes. I don't know, y'all. He's pretty smart. Say bye to everyone, Jack. Oh, he just wants to give lots of kisses. He's very snuggly today, y'all. Yeah, he's a good boy. I do have a lot more things I need to take care of before I go on vacation, because you guys know how crazy it gets before you go somewhere. So I've got to finish that up today, and Jack and I will see you guys in our next video.